The following video will be about course credits and graduation requirements. In general, this video session will be based on these two guidebooks, TAISI Course Registration 2020 and the TAISI Study Guide 2020. You should have received these two books by post. If you have not received them, please come to the School of Social Sciences office in order to obtain copies. Please read these books carefully and keep them with you until graduation. This table shows the credits that are required for graduation. You can find this table on page 10 of the study guide or page 6 of the course registration guide. In order to graduate from the TAISI program, you need to earn 124 credits. What is a credit? Credits are effectively points that you get from passing courses, and they are indispensable for graduation. And in order to get these credits, you must take courses from certain course types. As mentioned before, these credits that you gain from taking classes are important for graduation, and there are two different types of credits, countable and non-countable. Countable credits are credits that will be counted towards graduation requirements. You will earn countable credits by taking required courses, required electives, and other courses. In addition to these, there are non-countable courses, which are optional courses. The credits earned from these courses will not be counted towards graduation. For required electives and other courses, you can choose the credit types yourself during the course registration period. Now let me talk about the curriculum and graduation requirements. This graphic displays the different parts of the TAISI curriculum, and you will require, as mentioned, a total of 124 credits to graduate. From Foundations in Social Sciences, you are required to obtain 16 credits as required electives. In Interdisciplinary Studies in Social Innovation, you are required to obtain at least 24 credits as required electives. You are also required to obtain 20 credits in seminar courses and 20 credits from Japanese language courses as required courses. Finally, the other courses category has a maximum credit limit of 40. Now we'll go on to explain a bit more about the course types that I have just mentioned. Courses at the School of Social Sciences or at Waseda University can be divided into 4 categories. You need to understand the difference between each category. Required courses are the courses that you have to take. These courses are also called core or compulsory courses. If you fail these courses, you have to take them again until you pass. Otherwise, you will not be able to graduate. Required electives are courses that you are required to take, but you are free to choose which courses to take from a designated list every semester. You can choose which courses to take according to your interests. Other courses are the courses that you may take which are not from required courses or required electives. However, for these courses, there is a set limit of credits. Within the limitations, however, you are free to choose whichever courses you would like to take. Optional courses are courses whose credits are not counted towards graduation requirements. However, you may take them freely according to your interests. I will go into further detail on the 4 types of courses in the upcoming slides. Firstly, let's talk about required courses, which are the two highlighted on the bottom, namely seminar courses and Japanese language study courses. With regard to seminar courses, you must earn a total of 20 credits. You will be automatically registered for seminar courses every semester until you have successfully obtained the credits for them. The same goes for your capstone project. The capstone project is to be completed in the 4th year of study as a thesis or project conducted under the guidance of your senior seminar supervisor. Passing marks must be obtained in order to fulfill the graduation requirements. Therefore, if you fail any of these courses, you are required to take them again in the following semester, and you will not be able to graduate in 4 years if you have not obtained the required credits. The other required courses are Japanese language courses. Broadly speaking, there are two types of Japanese language courses: comprehensive Japanese and other Japanese courses. You need to register for these Japanese language courses as required courses. Depending on the results of the CJL level check test, you must register for Japanese courses according to your designated Japanese level. If you are level 0, you have to take Japanese for 0 beginners for 2 credits and any Japanese course for 3 credits. If you are between level 1 to 4, you will only have to take 1 comprehensive Japanese language course for 5 credits. If you are level 5 or level 6, you will have to take 1 comprehensive Japanese course for 3 credits and any other Japanese courses for 2 credits. If you are level 7 or level 8, you are not required to take any comprehensive Japanese courses, but you will be required to take 5 credits worth of any other Japanese courses. For students who fall anywhere between level 0 to 6, you will definitely be required to take either Japanese for 0 beginners or comprehensive Japanese language courses. If you fail the course, you will be required to retake it until you pass. During the first and second year, you need to obtain 5 credits of Japanese language courses per semester for a total of 20. Now let's talk about required elective courses, and they are the courses that are highlighted in red. As mentioned before, there are 2 different types of required elective courses. The first type is the Foundations in Social Sciences. In these courses, you will gain general knowledge by taking introductory courses in the social sciences, and you have to obtain at least 16 credits from these courses. The second type is the Interdisciplinary Studies in Social Innovation courses. There are 4 different fields. Firstly, Community and Social Development. Secondly, Peace Building and International Cooperation. Thirdly, Economic and Environmental Sustainability. And lastly, Social Organization and Working. You must obtain at least 24 credits combined from all of these 4 different categories. And finally, let's talk about other courses. You have up to a maximum of 40 credits from all courses that fall under this category. So, what types of courses fall under these other courses? Courses offered by other centers and schools in Waseda University will fall under the other courses category. For example, university-wide open courses that are offered by the Global Education Center, the Center for International Education, the Center for Japanese Language, and other undergraduate schools will all fall under the other courses category. Most of these courses are taught in Japanese, but some of them are taught in English. You can get information from such courses from the web syllabus system. I will be showing you how to use the web syllabus system in the next slide. Most university-wide open courses are treated as other courses. However, if you are interested in taking language courses other than Japanese or physical education courses, please be mindful of the credit limits. Up to 8 credits can be counted towards graduation credits for language courses. However, this does not include English language courses. While for physical education courses, up to 2 credits can be counted towards graduation. Courses in the School of Social Sciences that are taught in Japanese will be treated as other courses. You can also take courses from other undergraduate schools, which we call Tagakubu Choko. Courses taught in English, offered by other undergraduate schools, are treated as other courses as well. These credits will be counted towards graduation requirements. However, this excludes language courses. Please note that courses taught in Japanese that are offered by other undergraduate schools are treated as optional courses and therefore will not be counted. In general, It is not advisable to prioritize registration for courses offered by other schools. As a general rule, you can only register for these courses during the third registration period, which is the final registration period, and therefore only if there are seats left after the first and second registration periods. This means that by the time that you are eligible to register for the course, it may be unavailable to you, so please take this into account when planning your timetable. In addition, please note that for the School of International Liberal Studies, or SILS, you are only permitted to register for one course per semester. Now I will explain the process of checking the course syllabus on the web. If you want information on course outlines, the objectives of each course, and detailed schedules before registration, you can find such information on the web syllabus. You can access this syllabus search system from the Waseda University website. For example, if you enter TAISI in the keywords box and select Spring or Summer under the terms, you will see the list of TAISI courses offered in the spring semester. If you only want courses conducted in English, please make sure to choose English in the language field. Or, if you only want to look at open courses, please make sure to check the box next to open courses. Now I would like to explain the credit registration limits. During the first, second, and third year of study, the maximum number of credits you can register for per semester and the maximum number of credits you can register for per year is 40. So you cannot take 24 credits for both semesters. If you take 24 credits for one semester, you will only be allowed to register for 16 credits in the next semester. Please be careful. In your fourth year, you will be allowed up to 28 credits per semester and a total of 48 credits for the year. We also offer courses during the winter and spring vacations. If you choose to take courses during the winter vacation, they will be counted towards your fall semester. Courses taken during the summer vacation will be counted towards your spring semester. The following information will be very important, so please pay close attention. Passing or failing a course will not affect the credit registration limit set for each semester. What do I mean by this? Please listen to this example. A TAISI student registers for 24 credits in the spring semester. He gets his final report card and notices that he has passed 20 credits but has failed 4. He may think that since the maximum number of credits he can take in a year is 40, he can register for 20 credits in the fall semester and make up for the 4 credits that he has lost. However, this thinking is not correct. The student will only be able to register up to 16 credits in the fall semester. This is because the credit limit is fixed based on the number of credits that you have registered and not the number of credits that you have passed. Therefore, in summary, it does not matter whether you pass the course or not. The number of credits that you have registered for per semester is fixed, so please be careful of this. When you successfully register your courses online, there will be a bar that lists the number of credits that you have successfully registered for. When registering, please check the spring semester box to see how many courses you have successfully registered for. As you all might know, all courses have a set capacity. Please note that capacity will largely be dependent on each individual course. However, TAISI courses are generally small in size. If too many students register for one course, the registration system will automatically use a lottery system to determine which students can enroll. If you are not selected by the lottery, on the registration screen, it will say that you are over-enrolled. Now I will show you how and when to register for classes online. Here is the course registration schedule for the spring semester. As mentioned previously, all courses have a limited capacity. Therefore, if you fail to register for courses during the first period, you might miss out on certain courses that you either need or wanted to take. So please make sure to keep track of these important dates. The first registration period will begin on March 28th, 10 a.m. and will last until April 1st, 5 p.m. The results of the first registration period will be emailed to you by April 4th on 8 a.m. The second registration period will begin on April 6th, 10 a.m. and will run until April 7th, 5 p.m. The results of the second registration period will be emailed to you by April 10th, 8 a.m. The third and final registration period will start on April 10th, 10 a.m. and will last until April 11th, 5 p.m. The final results will be emailed to you by April 15th, 8 a.m. Please note that the spring semester classes are due to start on the April 6th, which means that the second and third registration period will occur after classes have already begun. So if there are any courses that you are planning to register for during either the second or third registration period, you should attend those courses from day one and register for those courses during either the second or third registration periods. However, if the course that you had planned to register for has already reached its capacity during the first registration period, you do not need to attend the class. Here we have a table of the different types of courses offered in the TAISI program and the registration periods that will be open to you. The first type of course is of course the TAISI courses, and these courses will be available from registration from the first registration period through to the third registration period. Secondly, for university-wide open courses that are offered by the Global Education Center and the Center for International Education, these courses will also be available for registration from the first registration period through to the third registration period. Open courses that are offered by either the School of Social Sciences or by other undergraduate schools are available for registration only during the first registration period. For Tagakubu Choko courses, which are offered by other undergraduate schools, all courses must be conducted in English in order to be considered countable, and these courses are only available for registration during the third registration period. Japanese language courses that are offered by the Center for Japanese Language are available for registration from the first registration period through to the third registration period. Finally, for School of Social Sciences courses that are offered by the general program that are taught in Japanese, they are only available for registration during the third registration period. As a reminder, courses offered by other schools and centers that are taught in Japanese will be considered non-countable credits. On the course registration guide, you should be able to find the following information: how to register for courses on the web from page 33 to page 42, how to drop courses from page 26, and how to change categories on page 27. So please read the guide carefully and register courses during the designated periods. Now I would like to talk about GPA, or grade point average. This information is also on page 21 of your study guide. GPA is a measure of your academic achievement and is very important when you apply for scholarships or for study abroad programs. When you fail courses or get bad grades, your GPA will be badly affected. You need to remember that all courses you register as countable credits will affect your GPA. Another important detail to take into account when registering for courses is course registration fees. When you register for CJL courses or Japanese language courses, you will see an icon saying fee on the registration screen. Usually, to enroll in these courses, you need to pay a fee, but regular undergraduate students do not have to pay them. So if you see this fee message box for a CJL course or a Japanese course, please ignore it. However, for certain other courses, for example, such as sports or training courses, payment of this fee is required. If you register for this course, you will receive an email asking you to make the audit fee payment by the designated deadline. For more detailed information on making audit fee or course enrollment fee payments, please refer to page 28 of the course registration guide. Now for a few details that you should be aware of. Due to system maintenance, online registration is closed every day between 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. during the registration periods. A list of the courses that you have registered for online will be emailed to you on the following day. However, that email is not your final registration result and does not indicate that you have gotten those courses. The results of your course registration will be announced on the designated dates for each registration period. Classrooms will be announced either in the email of registration results or on the web syllabus screen after the 6th of April. After classes have commenced, some rooms may change, so please make sure to stay informed by checking the notice boards located on the first and third floor of Building 14. Finally, there are computer rooms that you can use for syllabus search or for course registration. This is the special time schedule for computer rooms during the first course registration. After the 6th of April, the computer rooms will be open to you from Monday through to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. That is all for the course registration information. Please make sure to check all the details carefully so that you can register for courses with no mistakes. For any clarification, please refer to either the course registration guide or the study guide, and if you are unsure of any details, please contact the School of Social Sciences. Thank you for watching.